Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam. Whenever trying to play or launch the game, you got the error Steam cloud out of date or unable to sync error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, go ahead and launch the Steam. Now click on this Steam icon and choose the option settings. Now here click on the option interface and you will find the option of client beta participation. Go ahead, from the drop down list, choose the option Steam beta updates. Click on the option restart now to restart the Steam. Steam will restart and it will enable the beta options, and then it will help you fix out the issue of Steam cloud out of date error. Now if this simple tip doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. First, let the Steam update. Now again launch the Steam. Now once the Steam is launched, go ahead and click on the library option over here. Now whatever game is giving you the error Steam cloud out of date, simply right click on that game and choose option properties. Now here under general tab you will find the option of Steam cloud. From here go ahead and turn off this feature, keep games save in Steam cloud for the game. Once you turn it off, close it. Once closed, launch the game and play the game for some time, for about like 10 to 15 minutes. After playing the game, go ahead and close the game again. After closing the game, again you need to head over to the properties menu under general tab and resync the option of Steam cloud. Now again close it. Now again launch the game. Whichever game is giving you the error, go ahead, select the game and hit the play option to start playing the game. After playing the game, again close the game, restart your PC. After restarting, relaunch the Steam, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Steam cloud out of date error. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Now as soon as you hit the play option and you get the error Steam cloud out of date, you need to resync with the Steam. To do so, click on the option cloud conflict, and here you will find two options. Select all local data and select all cloud data. From here, make sure you only tick mark this particular option, select all call data. Once you choose the option select all call data, click on the option review, and once you reviewed, hopefully this will fix out the issue. Now you are ready to play the game and this will fix out the issue of Steam cloud out of data error. And if it failed to sync, you need to resync it at least 3 to 4 times until you get the option of fail to sync, and you need to do a manual sync. Once it automatically failed to sync, click on the option sync manually, and this will completely fix out the issue. Manual sync will help you sync your game files with your Steam server, and in turn help you fix out the issue of Steam cloud out of date error or unable to sync. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.